Well, 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 check out what made it into the yard. Man, 65 Malibu. I think there's a special one too, man. Kind of a shame, man. Shame, shame, shame. I like Chevelles too, man. First car was 67 Malibu, two-door. 327. Whether the badges are correct, who knows? I'll check out the van and the plate in a little bit here, but this car is this car a little rough life. I was trying to figure out how long it's been off the road, but I couldn't really find anything. I mean, maybe the 80s, maybe early 90s. I got some video of it when they had it up on the forklift so you can see underneath. I'm not gonna look under there. I think all the glass is good except the well, no, actually the back glass is back there too, except it's inside the car. No front end. I mean, no grill, no bezels, no bumper. I'd say car probably sat at least 30 years. At least. That one Krager's in pretty rough shape. Man, probably closer to 40 maybe, who knows. Top is good. Every time I see cars like this that you see they're like they don't, like they started to you know, taking the probably a DA to it or something and trying to take the Bondo off or something. I mean, I get the feeling it's somebody that goes like, yeah, you know, I can do this, and then they realize, man, sanding is hard work. The letters there, I was doing a little digging here and I was able to find those. I'd never heard of this company, Chief Auto Parts. So I don't think they were in Florida, you know. So I grew up in Florida. I don't recall this company. I think I looked it up and they were like, I guess in the end, AutoZone is what this became their owners. True Temp thermostat. Wonder how old that is. Maybe too old. Is the barcode on it. I guess she sold new in Steakley. I'm not sure where that could have been. Some brake parts, drum brake parts there. Yeah, this deck lid's rough. I mean, the whole car is rough, man. You can see it. May even have been underwater at some point. This is what kind of interests me. Look at that. It's a manual. It was set SS right there. That's broken off. And I tried to see if it was only, say, the Super Sports that would have came with the padded dash. And they had padded armrests. As you can see, a piece of the center console is there. One bucket seat. Damn, that sucks. Wish there would have been two of them. I don't know if it's been recovered. I may be wrong. It could be an original pattern or color combination. Mr. Gasket. And as you can see, she was also an AC car. I shouldn't have done that though. That house crap there. That retains a shitload of moisture, man. Let's go around the other way here. Oh, that's well, you see in the actually, I'll put it in the video for the rear end. I know some guys will be like, oh man, if that's the real deal, You can restore that. Probably. Yeah, I'm sure you could. 138, 37. I thought this was kind of cool, but no name on this one, man. I tried to do an image search on this wheel, but I just couldn't. All the ones that I kept finding, they had these, there were circles, where this is like an, octagon deal. So, and I looked, no, she got a clock. I was like, oh, she got a tach. What we got there? What's the, come on. What's that say? 42,000. I'm pretty sure it rolled over. If I didn't show the other gauges here, it's got the full set here, with your oil, fuel. I'd like to get this center vent here. It was in decent shape. That's the guys and the girls' initials. Up on top here, Robert loves Pat. Short for Patty, Patricia. So. Underneath, it's rusted, but I've seen a whole lot worse on the floors, at least. But here, you can see that's, back up, poke holes in that. There's the glass back there. I wonder what condition the, yeah, this was, I'm pretty sure was recovered. You see those hog rings there. The bottom's not there, just the top for the back seat. Or else I might have considered it if it was complete, with the buckets and the seat there, the back seat. And we'll just take a quick look underneath. Let me get this, I'll hold it up. Alright, let's get that tag. So, we have manual brakes that power steering. Would that have been swapped over? We've got a wind for the Rochester. Got headers. Like I say, factory AC car too. Yeah, man. Super Sport Malibu with factory AC. It's pretty freaking cool. And I guess the main thing missing would have been the tach, man. That would have been something. But oh well. Still, I'm sure there's guys out there will be like, oh man, I'd take that. There's a guy that bought the that bullet riddled GTO from the and he's making videos on it right now on his channel, from the Great Texas Mopar Horde. That thing is like probably, it's in rough shape. So these cars, I'm sure you could probably buy all the sheet metal for them, and if you wanted to, but I think from what I heard, the frame is sold and the body is going bye-bye. So, well, all right, people. Just thought I'd get one of this one for you. Oh crap! I gotta Get on the widescreen here.